water year for Sacramento got off to a wet start, but the current pattern and history both tell us that it's likely going to end up drier than normal. Hey guys, I'm KCRA3 meteorologist Heather Waldman. As of today, Thursday, January 22nd, Sacramento has seen just over 9.5 inches of rain since October 1st, the start of the water year. The average rainfall to this point in the season is just over 8.5 inches of rain, so we're running at about 110% of normal. But here's the thing, we haven't had any measurable rain since January 5th. We're now counting at 17 days, and there's nothing in the forecast until at least next week. Now that's not unusual. In fact, if you look at the last 30 years, the average dry spell that starts in December or January for Sacramento lasts 20 days. And out of the last 30 years, 12 of those years had a dry spell that went on 3 weeks or more. But if you look at those 12 years that had a 3-week plus break that started in December or January, 11 of those years finished with below average precipitation for the entire water year. That shouldn't be a surprise because on average, December, January, and February are the wettest months out of the year for all of Northern California. So if you're missing 3 weeks of that time, well, you got a lot more to make up later in the season. That's not to say that it's not possible. We can always have a great February or a great March or both. And for right now, our reservoirs are in good shape. But what's becoming a little bit more concerning is the snowpack. The longer we go without building up that snow and the warmer it stays in the Sierra, the more that number shrinks. In fact, as of today, we're still just 36% of our average peak snowfall for April 1st. That's going to come up fast.